Alright.
Probably get into it.
Give us the...
Alright, just cooked ourselves some little eggs this morning. We're gonna head out and scout some turkeys. Hopefully sit out there before first light, hear a couple gobbles and pinpoint exactly where they are, and then we'll be out there this time tomorrow, ready to go for one.
Sounds good to me.
Alright, so we came out here where we saw 2 turkeys yesterday on the fire lane. We walked down the fire lane this morning. Justin went one spot, I went another, and we both gave some hoots. I heard a gobble, so we got this bird pinpointed pretty good. We're gonna go around scouting a little more, see if we can find another. Cheers.
Well, we devised a plan that meet the most envy of most any man, and we decided to split up, divide forces, and go see if we can't find a couple gobblers. Derek had 2 gobblers on camera, so he decided to go check that out and play with them, but he didn't hear anything. And Kyle and I walked down this fire break that we saw a Tom working the other day. And I stopped at one cypress head that I think he's holed up in. I told Kyle, why don't you walk on down and to that intersection and see if you can't hear anything. Sure enough, he goes down there and he hears a gobble, hits him with an owl call, hears him gobble back, he gobbles a couple more times. So he's pretty fired up, and we're hoping, crossing our fingers tomorrow that we can go back in there and get him. But we'll see how this pans out.
So we were driving around scouting a little more last day before the season starts, and right on the main road there's a bunch of turkeys running around. So we go investigate, keep driving around, see a couple gobblers off the road, chase them down.
Those 2 other turkeys.
Big old beards hanging from them.
Oh my god, look at all of them out there.
So
Big old strutter.
oh
Yeah,
there's
way out
turkey
there.
Way out there.
Who owns this property?
Yeah, we were chasing after a couple gobblers we saw off the side of the road. We saw 2 toms, both with some nice looking beards, with what was it, 1 hen, Justin?
Yeah, 2 toms with 1 hen.
2 toms with 1 hen. And then we saw them go up into the woods, and then we scouted around a little more, and we came back out of the property and saw another tom with 2 hens, possibly the same one, near the same location. So we're thinking that's going to be the spot to sit tomorrow morning. About to take my physiology exam. With the coronavirus going around, everything's online now, which gives me a good opportunity to come and scout some turkey while school's still going on. But still have to handle my business with my test, so I'm about to get that done now. The guys went into Walmart, get a couple last minute hunting supplies, and hopefully I do well on this test. And after this test, my mind's gonna be 100% on them turkeys. I'm gonna be thinking about them all day long till tomorrow morning when we're sitting out there. We gonna shoot us a turkey. Let's go.
Alright guys, well, Fox News is scaring a bunch of old white people and everyone's freaking the hell out. So we can't even wipe our ass in camp. So we're out here getting gas, about to head back to camp. Hopefully tomorrow morning we can get on those gobblers.
I'm taking a test. Coronavirus sucks. Don't lick the piece of gum on the floor. Don't go to Walmart if you can't help it.
We got Walmart right now.
Look at this freaking mark from my head. Some of that hairspray I put in my hair.
Okay, Vinny. We're trying to stay clean out here.
Hey, easy, bro. That's gotta last the whole damn week.
Give me some of that.
There we go.
Sponsored by Purell.
65. Just got the green light, boys. We're entering the track. We know where there's about, well, we've seen about 5 gobblers anyway. So we're gonna go claim some territory, pitch up a ground blind. Hopefully Derek and Kyle can get on that bird tomorrow evening. Tomorrow morning, there's a gobbler that's been walking this road that we know. Nobody else knows about him. And
We hope.
well, they're just gonna go try and ambush his ass. Hopefully they could locate him and get a gobble in the morning. Typically they only gobble on the branch and then they go quiet as soon as they hit the ground, so hopefully they'll figure that out. And I'm gonna go chase down a bird that Kyle heard gobbling this morning, so.
Right.
Luckily they got a pea-sized branch.
Just got to one of the spots we're gonna scout a little bit. Gonna bring the binos.
Pro strap.
There'd be a path that takes you around there and get on the other side of this if we want to check that out.
I mean, it's not gonna be a nice way through, but it'll be a way through. I think we gotta go there.
This is the sweet nectar of life out here. If you do not have this, you will perish. Anyways,
We just took
we don't found a good.
probably a 6-mile hike to
6 miles.
I don't know, I'm just guesstimating. we walked all the way back where I heard the bird gobble, and we walked around the cypress, saw some track, found some good spots to set up in. Then we walked through the cypress where the little cut through that actually went to the other side of where I was in the morning, where I heard them gobble. So it gives us access both sides. So hopefully we can get on that one tomorrow morning.
This view is pretty decent. We just need to open just a crack. Same thing with here. You don't really need to, like, you're not going to be shooting anything here. Same thing here, you can see them coming, but not too bad. And behind. And then back there, you're not going to be able to really see me silhouetted. So you got all that. All that.
See if he makes it. We are eating our second dinner here at camp. We got burgers and mac and cheese. And let me tell you, what type of mac is this? Annie's?
Yeah.
Annie's mac.
Shout out to Annie.
It smacks. Alright? This is some good mac.
Please
These
sponsor us,
burgers-
please.
These burgers, they smack too. Cooked them up on the charcoal.
And we got another crew member.
We found this
Oh,
schmuck
yeah,
on the
Drew.
side of the road.
He showed up
Drew Grabe.
right before turkey starts. He's here.
All right.